How's it going to all you backyard mechanics out there? Today we'll be replacing the taillight slash brake light on a 1997 Ford Ranger. This might work for other years of the same model here. All you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver and the 3157 Sylvania light bulb. We're going to access this by 4 screws. Got one right here, one right here. The tailgate does need to be down because the other two are right here and right here. So we're going to go ahead and start removing these. These ones on the outside come out at kind of a tight angle. Alright, those two are out. Let's go to the two on the inside. Almost got the top one out, getting quite loose here. Now that those are all out, we can access the top one. Here is our brake light. The middle one here is the reverse light. The bottom one here will be your turn signal. We're going to be dealing with the top one and turn it counterclockwise. And you'll have the light bulb. At this point, you'll kind of just shimmy the light bulb out. Doesn't seem like you have to pinch it or anything. And then we'll replace the light bulb. Make sure when you're putting the new one in that you do not touch the actual light bulb. Just touch this part down here. So we'll go ahead and replace it. One last tip, when you're putting this back in, you see there's 2 connections on the bulb. That's how it needs to be aligned when you put it back in. Anyway, I'm going to put it back together. I'm sure everyone has stopped the video by now because they know how to do it. So thanks for watching, and good luck doing it yourself.